Have you ever wondered what asteroids could be a danger to Earth? Imagine, if you will, colossal fragments of rock and metal, remnants of a time when our solar system was but a newborn in the vast cosmic nursery. These are asteroids, cosmic time capsules carrying secrets from over 4.5 billion years ago, a period known as the dawn of our solar system. Born from the same nebulous cradle as our own home planet, these celestial bodies took shape in the early days of our solar system. Amidst the swirling chaos, while planets were coming together, these fragments remained untouched by the transformative processes that shaped Earth and its planetary siblings. Now, most of these asteroids have made their home in a region of space we call the asteroid belt, a cosmic highway of sorts situated comfortably between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This region is a bustling hub of asteroid activity, with millions of these objects, both large and small, whirling around in a celestial dance. But don't be lulled into a sense of security. Not all asteroids confine themselves to this cosmic boundary. Some of them, like rebellious teenagers, break away from the norm, venturing on paths that bring them uncomfortably close to our home planet. These audacious explorers are what scientists classify as near-Earth objects, or NEOs for short. They're the ones we need to keep an eye on, for they hold the potential to cross paths with Earth, becoming an unseen threat in the vast expanse of space. While most asteroids stay within their belt, some do venture close to Earth, becoming what scientists call near-Earth objects. The question that remains then is, just how dangerous could these wandering asteroids be to our home planet? But that, dear listeners, is a story for another scene. Now, you might be wondering, why are these near-Earth objects a cause for concern? Well, let's delve a little deeper into the potential dangers these celestial bodies present. Picture this: an asteroid, a relatively small one at that, roughly the size of a 6-story building, enters the Earth's atmosphere. Now, due to the sheer speed at which it's traveling, this relatively small object can cause an explosion equivalent to the detonation of a nuclear bomb. That's right, a nuclear bomb. This isn't some science fiction scenario, but a real possibility. When asteroids collide with our planet, they don't just make a hole in the ground. They explode with a force that can level cities, trigger fires that can turn into wildfires, and if they hit the ocean, they can cause tsunamis that engulf coastal cities. Remember the asteroid that hit the Yucatan Peninsula about 65 million years ago? That one wasn't even particularly large by asteroid standards, but the impact was so powerful that it led to the extinction of the dinosaurs and a majority of life on Earth at the time. These events, while rare, have occurred multiple times throughout Earth's history. The Tunguska event in Siberia in the early 20th century, for instance, flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 2,000 square kilometers, and that was caused by a relatively small asteroid estimated to be only about 30 to 50 meters in diameter. It's not just the immediate impact we have to worry about either. The dust and debris kicked up by these impacts can block out the sun, leading to what is known as an impact winter, causing temperatures to plummet and making it difficult for life to survive. So you see, these near-Earth objects aren't just harmless rocks floating in space. They are potential harbingers of destruction capable of causing unimaginable devastation. The impact of an asteroid, though rare, can have catastrophic consequences. But don't fret, we're not sitting ducks in this cosmic shooting range. Our planet is not defenseless in the face of these celestial armadas. We have our sentinels, our guardians, who keep a vigilant eye on the sky. These are our scientists, our astronomers, tirelessly tracking and monitoring asteroids. It's like a cosmic game of cat and mouse. These space rocks, large and small, hurtle through space, and it's our task to spot them, to track them, and to calculate their trajectories. It's a task of immense proportions, but it's one we take on with gusto. Organizations such as NASA play a pivotal role in this endeavor. They deploy advanced technology, sophisticated telescopes, and cutting-edge software to detect these asteroids. They have a network of observatories scattered across the globe, their eyes fixed on the heavens, scanning, searching, ever watchful. These observatories are our first line of defense. They spot these asteroids, even those that are millions of miles away. They track their paths, calculate their speeds, and predict their trajectories. This data is then analyzed, scrutinized, and conclusions are drawn. If an asteroid is deemed a potential threat, measures are taken, plans are drawn up, and preparations are made. But it's not just about tracking and monitoring, it's also about predicting. Predicting potential asteroid impacts, that's where the real challenge lies. It's a complex process involving a multitude of variables and factors. It's a task that requires precision, accuracy, and a deep understanding of the laws of physics and celestial mechanics. Advanced technology is our ally in this endeavor. It helps us detect most large asteroids long before they pose a threat. It allows us to see deeper into space, to spot these space rocks when they are still a safe distance away. It gives us time, precious time, to prepare, to plan, and to protect. With the right technology and preparation, we can protect our planet from asteroid threats. So, should we live in fear of a catastrophic asteroid impact? That's the question we've been exploring. By now, we've established that asteroids are remnants of our early solar system, most of which reside peacefully in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. But yes, some do stray closer to home and become near-Earth objects, potentially posing a threat to our planet. However, it's important to remember that we're not sitting ducks. Our scientists are constantly on the watch, monitoring these celestial bodies with precision and dedication. Advances in technology have made it possible to detect and track these objects, allowing us to predict and, if necessary, mitigate potential impacts. While the threat of asteroids is real, we can take solace in the knowledge that we are not powerless. Thanks to the tireless work of scientists and advancements in technology, we can keep our planet safe. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content. Until next time, keep looking up.